guys, today I'm gonna show you how to make this super easy coconut custard pie. So some people call it like impossible pie and some people just call it a coconut pie. Personally, I'd like to call it like a coconut custard pie because basically it's a mixture of custard, which is egg and milk, and some shredded coconut. So let me show you how to make this coconut custard pie. Let's get started. Okay guys, so this is now our finished product. So I had this cooled so that we can slice it. So it's a nicely browned and it's almost firm now, so it's good for slicing. Okay, this is now our finished product. So let's give it a try. Just put it here. It's super delicious. I mean, you can taste the coconut, the shredded coconut, and the custard, and then there's like a layer of very thin crust at the bottom. It's just so good. So, and it's so super easy to make. So I hope that you guys will give it a try. Until next time, bye.